This is a black silicone case for the AirPods. I have AirPods 4 here. Um, so they come in a lot of colors. This one specifically that's offered, I got black though, and it's done a really good job with my AirPods. I think some dust has gotten in there that I have to clean off, but for the most part they've done really well. I haven't worried when I've dropped my AirPods, and this does do a good job of breaking impacts and keeping it safe from scratches and kind of all the necessary things a good case should do. It's got this pull-out part for when you need a charge. Even has some holes for the sound, because when you plug these in, it makes a sound. Other things with this specific case, and I think the other colors that are sold with it, is it comes with this cleaning pen thing, I think is what it is, but it's got two ends. This one is a nice little brush that you can, I imagine, use it on a couple parts of the AirPods, but nice and soft there. And then this other end has a couple of parts to it. This is a silicone top that you can take off, but this is kind of a pointed part that you can use to clean off earwax and other debris and material, and a little brush. So a couple of things on this end. One other thing with this case though, it's the only negative, is that this comes with a carabiner. Mine is missing though, because it's not a really good carabiner. I would fidget with mine just in my pocket, and even without doing that, I felt like after too long the hinge of the carabiner would, I don't know if come off or get dislodged is the right word, but it just got to the point where it would not close all the way, or it would lock up, and I just ended up throwing mine away. But you can get carabiners anywhere else. It still comes with this metal ring that you could use on a couple of things, even a keychain for if you want. So it's a great little set for managing and taking care of your AirPods. So I recommend mine. I do think it is pretty good.